Hey traders, Jim here. We're going to go through our trades today and talk a little bit about what we did and a couple of the advanced things that we did. But before we do, if you don't mind just reading this disclaimer, give you a few seconds here and we'll move forward. Okay, if you take a look at this picture up here, this is from Thinkorswim and it's my trades today. And the first trade that I made is I went ahead and sold another put on Carnival Cruise Lines for 29th of May. And the strike price at 27, I got $1.20 out of it. Second thing I did is I went to my SMCI, and I talked about this before about buying back puts that are far enough away from the money that you can use that money better someplace else. And we did that here. I bought back the 18th of June strike price 16 puts for 25 cents. I'm going to go over what I got for that when we start looking at the trade journal. So basically, it's a roll, but I did it manually so I could take everything between the spreads and get what I wanted out of it. And so then I opened up an 8th of May 26 put and got $1.15 out of that. Okay, so not bad. I was able to pull the strike price in a month and a week earlier. So at the 8th of May, I'll be able to do this again and make even more money as opposed to sitting on the 18th of June for 25 cents. Okay, very smart if you do that. Don't sit on things that are not bringing you any money in. You want to utilize your stocks and continuously bring money in. All right, now let's go to the trading journal. If you take a look here, April 20th and April 20th. Here's my Carnival Cruise Lines, 27 strike price, expiry May 29th, got $119 out of that and 45 cents after commissions, okay? 41% annualized. SMCI for the May 8th expiry, 26 strike price, I got $114.45. Again, 89% annualized. Two really good trades. Let's go to the closed. And again, you'll see the 16s that I bought back for a quarter. And if I hover over this net premium, you'll see we originally got $105 for these. And I bought them back for $25 minus the 55 cents and a second 55 cents for the original one and the buy to close fees. Okay. Netting out $78.90. So if we go back up here, we'll take a look at the account now. Overall, we're at $5,129.75. Current balance, $75,129.75. Adjusted balance, which is current balance minus unrealized profit and losses. And remember, we talk about this in every video. This was minus $3,200 last week. So those stocks came back up and we've been working them when they were down. We're working them when they're up, continuously making money on the stocks that we own, regardless of where they're at in price. The adjusted was 74,896 and 30 cents. Some of you like to look at that number. For me, I really look at this, and this is the number that's important to me because I know this number is going to fluctuate. All right, let's look at the income breakdown. I talked in another video, a couple videos back, that April was probably going to be about 1,500, just under 1,600, right in that area. Don't quote me exactly, but we wound up almost 1,900 because of these trades. And this is fantastic. And this is, I'm going to say it again, this is probably where we'll finish out. But if I have some other cash secured puts that I can buy back really cheap and make more money on that money, then I'm going to do that. The month's not over yet. We may make some more money on this. And I think this also shows you that while I like 30 to 45 days out, it doesn't mean I sit on them for 30 to 45 days. This is an active account. We are trading. All right. Unlike weekly options, if you're selling weekly options, you don't have a lot of theta. You don't have a lot of time. You can't really do this. You're probably not going to be able to close out in 2 days unless you have a massive rally on the stock. And then what do you do? Sell the next week out. So for me, I like my 30 to 45 days. And when I can do something like this, and this one was even longer for that SMCI, that was 2.5 months out because I got some great premium for that strike price. And if I can do this and I can get out early, 45 days out, and I can get out in 2 weeks and sell another cash secure put on something else, I've done really well. Capital deployed did go up a little bit, 63%. Just wanted to bring that up. And just overall, great numbers. Come on over to www.optitrades. That's Opti with a Y, not an I. OPTYtrades.com. Right up here. Okay. See you over there. Also, like this video and subscribe. I need subscribers. We're a fairly new channel. If you feel this content's good, I'm giving you guys the truth. I'm giving you a live account. I'm trading this account in front of you. All right. You're going to see the ups and downs. We will not hide our adjusted profits. We will not hide the current balance, and you'll see exactly what we're doing in this account across the board. Okay, have a great day.